open the Netlify. Use your email address to sign up the account. Now what you need to do is go to your Gmail and verify the Netlify account. Here fill up your information. Now simply drag and drop your project folder, and then your site will be live in internet within a few seconds. Go to domain setting to edit the name of your domain. Go to your theme page and select sites, and here you can simply drag and drop your another project. Now if you want to update your site, go to sites and select your specific project, then select deploys, and here you can drag and drop your updated project.